What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bill back in another video, man. This video, man, we got a whole plate of nachos right here. Yo, if y'all have never put like nachos on a plate and just sprinkle some cheese over it, put some pepper, some Old Bay over it, and just throw it in the microwave and just eat it, you're missing out, bro. Like, I know it might not look that appetizing, but it's about to be mad good, man. Let's get right into the video. Wait, don't worry, y'all. You gotta get a little messy with these. These are about the taste, not about the looks. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. 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 Wow. Too good. Mm-hmm. You know what I need to learn how to do? I need to learn how to make that like cheese in a pot. Like, cause when you put cheese in a pot and melt it, it's like better. But who cares? But I'm so sorry if I hear my dog barking. Worst timing. Of course, the mailman had to come. But sorry if I can hear that. Mm. Mm-hmm. Like, what's your favorite food to eat? Yeah, me personally, whenever someone asks me what my favorite food is to eat, like, that's just too hard of a question, bro. I'll say some basic stuff like steak. I'll be like fries, hamburger, right? But that's not really my favorite food. Right. When has a mailman ever ring the doorbell? That's the first. But it's all good. These are probably like the cheese is hard, dog. Trust me, it's not. That's why I always tell people, if you've never tried microwave nachos, don't hate on it until you try it. Because as soon as you try it, Only bad thing is, like, some of the nachos on the bottom don't get any cheese on it, so you gotta like combine them. That's pepper and Old Bay. It's really good. This is my first time trying pepper and Old Bay on nachos. It's actually really good. Like, really good. I'm probably not gonna eat all those. That's just straight nachos without cheese, but I'm gonna do. Fire. Last bite. Alright, man, we crushed that meal, bro. We have like, what, 12 chips sitting right here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not eating them. They're just straight regular nachos. No cheese on them, so. But I'm low-key full too, though, so that's really why. But I might sneak in a couple little chips later. I'm trolling. WE today, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave some suggestions down which y'all want to see me eat, man. Because I am on a diet. Like 1 meal a day. I've lost like 60 pounds from doing it, but just leave it down in the description, man. I can pretty much eat anything as long as I put it in my calorie deficit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all boys.